This quarter we've been studying rhetoric, and we've also been studying argumentation. And for your final paper, you have to use all of that skill set that you've acquired and all of that information that you've absorbed regarding rhetoric and argumentation, and you're going to add to your repertoire, and you're going to also look at synthesis and how that style of writing can be communicated to your audience. So the upcoming lecture notes talk about synthesis writing specifically, how that will impact your use of outside sources, because we usually pair synthesis writing with using sources intertextually so that we can synthesize our points. And then I've got a short game for you, the believing and doubting game, to take a look at so that you can try to have a really cool dynamic between sources where we create a stance of openness and we can see all sides and perspectives so that you can bring that into your argument. Okay, so go through these lecture notes. They're quite long. Make sure that you are paying attention to each slide and that you have your audio enabled and you're prepared to watch a couple of videos, because I do have a little bit of media interspersed within this set of notes.